For 5 years, we have grown, expanding our tribe and preparing for this moment. The moment we make history and start a new era in the foundation solutions industry.
So when we started Groundworks, we knew it would one day be a national brand. We needed to build our team, we needed to have the resources, and we needed to find the right market opportunity to launch Groundworks as a national brand. And now, that time has arrived. For the first time, the largest and most successful company in the foundation services space will launch as Groundworks in the Omaha market. And we're honored to have the great men and women of CLS serve as the foundation of this national brand.
CLS decided to partner with Groundworks when it seen the opportunity and the careers that it could provide for the people that we chose to be part of our team.
Groundworks is unmatched. So that's going to allow us to get more trucks, hire more people, allow our existing employees to grow and move into positions of leadership.
Ability for us to have access to anything that we need, from whether it be growth on the production side or the sales side.
For the sales side of things, guys will have the opportunity to make more money. At the end of the day, it's a better opportunity lead for lead than what we're doing now.
CLS not only gets new opportunities, it gets the opportunity to be part of history.
Throughout the history of foundation services, there's never been a company like Groundworks. Now we're going to push it even further.
At CLS, we've always prided ourselves in having exceptional service, but now we'll take that local pride and go to a national level.
It's an honor to be chosen by a company like Groundworks to partner with and to become the first Groundworks company in the country. The sky's the limit with this.
We're going to grow so much and build this business so much that they've got opportunities that they never would have had.
We're going to have more training, more accessibility, but also just be able to provide more for the customer.
It's not a one-size-fits-all system. We can tailor stuff to customers' problems and make sure we totally solve their issues.
For years, the Omaha market has been controlled by multiple competitors, which we've already tapped into. The tribe brings the opportunity for us to tap even more.
I'm most excited with this partnership for the opportunity to grow in a market that's been needing a change. It's been needing a fresh face, fresh ideas, fresh products.
For years, Omaha has only had one dominant foundation services company in the market. We're here to disrupt that.
Today marks a new chapter. A chapter where we introduce the first national consumer-facing brand. A brand that will continue to disrupt and evolve an entire industry.
Now, it's our time. Our time to lead. Our time to disrupt. Our time to make history.